Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Friday, June 16th, 2023. Now, this is a 1985 Banvil Envirofan heavy-duty gold line. Without further ado, I'm going to turn it on. I have it set up to an Envirofan 5-speed control, so start off on speed 1, which is the fastest. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. And speed 5. Now, this fan in particular was missing the blade screws as well as the down rod and the upper canopy. Supposed to have the plunger canopy, but so I had to kind of improvise with a ball and socket I had lying around, hence why I installed it over here. And now for the spin down. Yeah, this is a fan I had painted years ago, about a decade ago. It was in pretty rough shape aesthetically, but it still moved a ton of air. So I painted it. I didn't paint the blades. Maybe I did. I don't remember. But and I put a strip of yeah, that's right. The foil tape had all fallen off, so I bought a roll of gold foil tape and tried to put it on to the best of my ability. A little bit on the wobbly side, but that's that's life. It's definitely one of my favorite ceiling fans. I've told you guys all the story of why I like these. I remember seeing them as a kid. The local library had a whole bevy of these. There was a drugstore that had 2 of them that are actually still installed. There's a church I used to go as a kid to see the Messiah sing, and there were a whole bunch of brown gold lines. There was a gift shop in town that had 3 of these. Honeycomb Gift Shop in Wakefield. They're long gone. The building's long been gutted and turned into other more modern stores, but I still remember always loving to see the fans when I was a kid. Boy, that's a long spin down. Must have really good bearings. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. And if you haven't enjoyed it, well, you know, click unlike, but make sure to do it twice to really teach me a lesson. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.